Hundreds of filmmakers, academicians, and students have criticized the proposed amendments or changes to the Cinematograph Act, which could empower the central government to order the re examination of an already certified movie. Now, what is the Cinematograph Act and why have the proposed changes or amendments sparked a massive row? On 18th of June this year, the central government had sought public comments on the draft Cinematograph Amendment Bill 2021. This act proposes to penalize film piracy with a jail term and fine, introduce age-based certification, and empower the government to order recertification of an already certified film following complaints. In simple words, this move by the government would lead to an additional layer of direct government censorship going beyond the existing process run by the Central Board for Film Certification or CBFC. Now, Section 5(b)(1) of the Act says a film shall not be certified for public exhibition if, in the opinion of the authority competent to grant the certificate, the film or any part of it is against the interests of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency or morality, or involves defamation or contempt of court, or is likely to incite the commission of any offence.
So my problem with the Act is that if the law is not absolutely clear, for example, no PUC, no petrol, then it's up to your interpretation of the clauses in the law. Then basically what you're saying is, if it's up to your interpretation, it's not clear what the law is, there are so many things that are ambiguous in it, then if it effectively becomes that if you feel my film is objectionable, then it is. So that can't be the law. Now it has to be very clear so that for everyone to understand what is objectionable in the film.
The government also cites reasonable restrictions placed by the Constitution in Article 19 of the Constitution to justify exercising its powers to act as a super censor for films about which it receives complaints, even if the CBFC, which is the official body empowered to implement the Act, finds those films do not trigger those restrictions. Now, this proposed amendment did not go down very well with many of the Indian film industry folks. Filmmakers, actors, artists have alleged that the proposed changes would give the government overriding power over cinema and threaten freedom of expression in India. Over 3,000 signatories, including filmmakers, actors, cinematographers, artists, writers from across the country, have written a letter to the Information and Broadcasting Ministry of the central government. They have called it a big blow to the film fraternity, alleging that the changes will potentially endanger freedom of expression and democratic dissent in India. The letter says that the proposed amendments or changes would render filmmakers powerless at the hands of the state as more vulnerable to threats, vandalism, and intimidation of mob censors. They also allege that with the proposed changes, the government is attempting to decrease the confidence in the institutional body CBFC or Central Board of Film Certification. The draft proposes to introduce age-based categorization and classification. Remember, as of now, films are certified into 3 categories. U for unrestricted public exhibition, UA that requires parental guidance for children under 12, and A for adult films. The new draft proposes to divide these categories into 3 further age-based groups: UA 7+, UA 13+, and UA 16+. In April this year, the government decided to do away with the Film Certification Appellate Tribunal or FCAT, which is a statutory body formed to hear appeals of filmmakers who are unhappy with the cuts suggested by the CBFC. The tribunal was helpful for directors seeking a time-bound solution if they were not happy with the CBFC's decision. 2 months later, the proposal to amend the Cinematograph Act came in by the government. Now, filmmakers unhappy with the decision of the censor board are now left with no option but to appeal in high courts, and the process just becomes tedious. They are forced to bear legal cost of representation, financial loss until the already overburdened judicial system takes up their matter. The letter also makes a very important point. It says that the Cinematograph Amendment Bill 2021 must clearly define the role of the CBFC as a body which certifies film content for public exhibition and not as a censoring body. Several members of the film industry claim that the new proposals on the cinema censorship are wrong, unnecessary, and that the film board and courts are enough. While film piracy poses real challenges to filmmakers, the proposed changes and amendments do not address this concern effectively merely by introducing penal provisions. Their appeal also urged that the Film Certification Appellate Tribunal or the FCAT be reinstated.